Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Soumya Dila from Mangalore Specialty Clinic, and today let's speak about a common concern during the transition from summer to monsoon, and that is the dry cough. So as humidity increases and the weather conditions change, many people experience cough, throat irritation and respiratory discomfort. The risk of infection also tends to rise during the season. To stay protected, make sure you drink plenty of water, keep yourself hydrated, wash your hands, use sanitizers, and also avoid triggering factors like smoke, dust, and other respiratory irritants, because these irritants can worsen your symptoms. Remember, not every cough is the same. So do not self-diagnose and do not take medicines from the pharmacies on your own, and this way you can prevent further complications. If your cough persists or the associated symptoms worsen, it is always better to consult your doctor and take the right treatment rather than self-medicate. So stay healthy and enjoy this monsoon season to stay happy.